Bharti. Today is Global Day of Parents. My name is Ketan Bharti. I study in class 4. My school name is Birla Open Minds International School. Today is Global Day of Parents. I will make a card for parents. And the card is this one. Without you, I'm nothing but parents. Happy Global Day of Parents. Without you, I am nothing, parents. For my lovely parents, love you, parents. My mother's name is Poonam Devi and my father's name is Arvind Kumar. My mother is wife and my father is businessman. My father and mother care of me and my father and mother best in the world.